Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the secret code. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device, where we've got the information about it. Then let's scroll and tap on the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.